Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I have another video where I'm going to show you just some cute little random projects that I have come across when I've been kind of searching on YouTube and stuff like that, just kind of browsing around and looking around. I have actually 5 projects. I'm going to start with these 2 because they're by the same person, and we'll just kind of go through. And I made just these cute little projects that I just wanted to share. So in the description, I'll have all the information so you can go ahead and check out their videos as well. So the first 2 here that I want to share with you are by Pinkstrawberryz, and I've done a few of her stuff already, and she has some great little projects that use pattern paper, couple pieces, and you have a really great project. And I have like a ton of stuff in my stash, so I just went to town. So these 2 here, the first one we'll talk about here is this one. She calls it the Easy Pocket Loaded Mini Album, and it uses a single-sided paper. And I just went through my stash and grabbed some stuff. I used pink paisley papers on this. I used a bunch of ephemera from Die Cuts with a View. The clipboard here on the front, I think, was an old Robin Bob thing. Do you guys remember that? And then I had some random tags for my stash. So it's really cute. Just a really simple little envelope mini. I tied it with a ribbon to close it, and I just attached it on the back and put some ephemera over the top of it. And then basically what it does is it opens up like this, and you make kind of paper envelopes, and then you just attach them together. It's really a fun idea. But then I went to town with all of the different little embellishments and things that I have in my stash, and I just went crazy. So the cover here is this chipboard, and I just layered a bunch of die cuts on it, and these cute little label stickers from Die Cuts with a View. These were several years ago. I still had them in my stash. And then you have pockets that you could put all kinds of different things in. And then when you attach them, you end up with, you know, pages on the backs as well. This first one here, and then the second envelope attaches to the first. And she'll show you how to do that in the tutorial. But then I just used some die cuts and created more ephemera sticker, or ephemera spots, I should say. Made like a photo opportunity here. Use some of these paper clips that I had, which gives kind of a pop of the ribbons and stuff, which I think is fun. And then obviously there's like lots of pockets, because you end up with lots of envelope pockets. Okay, so you end up with on the back, when you attach them, you end up with pockets back here as well. So I just kind of went to town with all of that, and just wanted to share that with you. So again, the link will be down below. But isn't this cute? This would be great. These kinds of things are great for like little super quick mini gifts. They're great for Happy Mail. They're great for, you know, tucking in junk journals, all kinds of different things. So, you know, that's kind of one of the reasons why I'm doing it. I also wanted to just kind of, you know, bust my stash a little bit. I mean, I can't believe how much stuff I have. I need to use it. And so anyway, I wanted to do that. So again, this is by Pinkstrawberryz, and it's the Easy Pocket Loaded Mini Album, and I'm going to put the link below. And then she had this cute little mini, and this is a little mini, all right. This one is called the Easy Tiny Mini Album, and she used a 6x6 piece of paper to do this, and she has a tutorial. It's super easy. The papers that I used for this are Carter Bella's All Hallows Eve. And this charm here, it's a little witch charm. I hope you can see that. I added it to a bulldog clip, and I just thought that was really pretty. That is Holiday Glitz by Holiday Glitz. I think I got that at Joann's. It's a long time ago. It was like, I think the date on the package was like 2011. Let's see, I got the bulldog here, and then the bat here, dollar store ring, and I just cut the ring off, and I just thought that was really cute. So then the clip holds it shut, and then it's just like a super tiny mini album. And because I'm using the 6x6 papers, the 6x6 paper pad had little cut aparts, so I had bits and pieces to put in here. I used a small tag punch that I have and a little library pocket punch, and added the pocket to that. There's a pocket here in the middle to put more I made a little card out of this one. Just little scraps of paper. So it took like a couple pieces of paper, and then like I'm done, and I've got this cute little mini album. I thought this would be really adorable to hang on my Halloween tree, because I do like to have some, I've got this Halloween tree that I've made, and you know, I like to make the ornaments and stuff, but then I thought the cute little mini albums on the tree would be fun, because I could put pictures of my grandkids in there and then save it for, you know, all the years. So anyway, that's the second one here. So I thought those were super, super cute. So let me grab the next one. The next one that I made, this is another Halloween theme one. I have a lot of Halloween themed stuff going on right now because I'm, you know, obviously a Halloween nut. You guys know that. But I'm also involved in Sandy's hashtag Sandy's 13 Frights Before Halloween 2022, which is a wonderful collaboration with several different creators, and we're all making things every Monday. So if you check that out on the rest of my YouTube videos, we're on week 9 now. So we've put out a ton of different quick projects, but because of that, I have all my Halloween stuff out. So I've been using a lot of my Halloween paper. So this one here is by Treasure Books, and this is a paper pad project that she did. I will link that below. And basically, it's a little mini booklet that she did with her 6x6 papers, and I just went ahead and created another fun little quick mini album. So this measures 6x6, has lots of little tags and pockets, and there's a flip here and another pocket here. You can put as many pages as you want on this or not. It's very customizable, and it's very cute. It has a real simple kind of pamphlet closure kind of thing going on here. But this one I used 4 pages to make. It's really great. The paper that I used is by My Mind's Eye, and it's called Happy Haunting. And it was done in 2013, according to my notes. And then I used Teresa Collins Masquerade stickers to kind of decorate it. But isn't that cute? That turned out really cute, really sweet, and really quick. So I'll have a link to that tutorial as well. Oh, I had 2 pages here. So it kind of broke. I had the paper pad that I did this one with. I just had a few sheets left, so I just used it all up. So it just like busted that whole 6x6 paper pad of the leftovers that I had. So it was perfect project for that. So I'll put that off to the side. So now the next one that I have here is it was actually by We Are Memory Keepers. And it was a folio project that I saw that I really wanted to make. And I saw it on Instagram, and I will get a link for that. But this was actually, We Are Memory Keepers did a kind of a video tutorial on this, and I watched it. It's super, super easy to do, but it has an elastic closure here. The papers that I'm using are from Country Craft Creations, and they're absolutely gorgeous, called Sweet Southern Mess. And I just had a few pieces of scraps, and I put them together and made this folder. So it's really cute. It's a little recipe folder. It opens up. You have your closures here, and then this is a Tim Holtz closure that I've had in my stash for a long time too. So it just kind of I forget what they're called, but it goes through the eyelets here, and I just use that. But you could tie a knot, which is I think what they did in the video, or you can do something else if you wanted to. And then it just opens up like this, and then I just put a bunch of recipe cards in it. So I thought this was really a cute idea. I kept it kind of simple because I thought, well, you know, if it's something that you wanted to like maybe throw in your purse when you're going grocery shopping and you have your recipes in here that you want to, you know, kind of, I don't know, use as a list or whatever, or you wanted to snail mail this to somebody as a gift, this would be a great ephemera holder, you know, recipe holder. You could do this for, you know, use Christmas papers, and then you could put pictures in there and send it to like your, you know, grandparents, all that kind of thing. So I thought that was really an adorable project, but I really did enjoy making that. This last one I want to show you is a very cute album by Roneet Gutman-Gross, and she just did it earlier this month, and I just had to make it as soon as I saw it because it's just super cute. It's super quick, and I loved the construction of it because it reminded me of an explosion box. You guys know I love my explosion boxes. So I used Graphic 45's Let It Be papers, and I had some scraps left over from another project, and I created it. So it's this cute little box. I added a tag back here. I wanted to do a closure with the ribbon that I had. So I added a little tag over the top just to kind of help secure the ribbon, and put some stickers over here to kind of secure the ribbon up here too as well. And then I had these dimensional stickers that were from a different collection. I think they're by Paper House, that I got from a local craft store. And then when you open it up, so it opens up, look how cute it looks from the top, right? You got to see that. And then it opens up and it just explodes out into this really cute little mini album. So again, this would be a great idea to do for Christmas. Send grandparents pictures. You could put Halloween pictures in here, all this kind of stuff. So with the Let It Be collection, I had some cut aparts. I just added those to the fronts, or you know, to the front and the back of the album, I guess you could say. And then I had these other little cut aparts left over, so that I added them so that when it folds up, they will kind of tuck in. See how that is? It's just adhered to one of the panels, so they kind of pop up like a little element. And then in the inside, you have your pages that you could add pictures. And on the middle page here, I just added another piece of the patterned paper and a sticker here because I just wanted to. So I made that. Isn't that cute? I just love this. So, and then it just folds up nice and neat around here, and it makes this cute little box. I just think it's adorable and has so many different things that you could do with it. I had to make it because I just love it. And, you know, it's an explosion box, right? So I had to. So that's kind of my, my thing here. I am just super excited with all my little projects. These are cute little projects to make. They take no time at all. And since I had some of this stuff out because I was working on other projects, you know, I was like, you know, I love doing this. And it also sparks my creativity. It gives me ideas. And so since it gives me ideas, I wanted to give you guys ideas. So thanks for watching. And I will be back again with some more tutorials and more shares. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.